up Mount Mee and come out here today with Jinin, Always AWD. He hasn't got his territory anymore, he's got a BMW and he's just put a lift kit in it. He's trying to figure out a few things. So Mount Mee's a good place. I got the SY of course, and I'm going to test some of the Newtracs extreme tracks today because they say both these vehicles are only rated to easy, which, yeah, I don't know where they get their ratings from. Apparently it's an algorithm or something from 4-wheel drive Australia, and I've tried to look for how they figure it out and I can't. We played around with the app last night. We put in like a 9-inch lift, low range, all this sort of stuff, 34-inch tires on the BMW, and they still said no, it's only rated as easy tracks. So I don't know how it works out. They must just work on the brand of the car and the type of car as well. We even put, yeah, it had low range, but I don't know. So I'm going to do a few of the Newtracs tracks, the extreme ones, and see how the cars handle them. So I apologise in advance for some of the bad audio in this video. I don't seem to have any luck with microphones. I don't really want to drive through that. It's not because I don't think I'll make it, it's because it's gross. Now, again, it looks like there's a track up and around. But I'll straddle this. So I say I'd still done the main track. The track keeps going this way too, but there's nothing on here. So I think for the sake of what we're going to do in this video, I might just turn around and go back out the way we come, climb that hill, and then find the next track. I'm about to climb back out of that track, but we ran into one issue. My traction control is not working. So you can see the ABS light on as well. That's not good. Red track done, the double diamond track, that's done. We're not going to take the BMW down that one, it probably will run out of clearance. But anyway, you could have straddled it, it would have straddled it, but there's no point doing that. Let's go. So we're now on K-brake. The track we just come up to get here is also rated black, and it was like, I've seen people's driveways that are worse. So, and it even has a red bit as a difficult spot, but it was perfectly flat, so weird rating.
Held us in it. Man, it's good. It works.
Yeah?
I didn't have my foot on the back the whole time coming down. BMW, you did something right.
I haven't got Hilders in. Some territories did come with it, but it's very rare, factory option, and I'd kill to have one. Put the kids to work. So here, it's recording. See the screen?
How do you stop recording?
got traction control working.
That's just spinning out.
Tripping out. It just spins that one wheel.
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, front left is yes. There we go.
It's really hard when my traction control. Ooh, wasp. Ooh. Oh, that's a blooper. Anyway, we'll try that again. That we just come up. Had to be the hardest part we've done all day, so it deserves a. I reckon that maybe deserves the black title there.
Yeah, you really have to think about your wheel placement. So
Yeah.
I'd say you actually had to think and not just.
I tried to point it up the hardest way, which is not good because my traction control keeps tripping, and when it's not got that on, nothing stops. Power just goes to one wheel, and yeah, everyone says no, you got to turn that crap off. Well, not in her territory. You turn it off, you got a one-wheel drive, and this is what I keep saying to people. It's like mode 3. You just got nothing. That's what I put in the black car, the burnout car. It's mode 3. It just spins the locker in the rear. But anyway, that was a bit of fun. That I made it look a lot harder than it should have been because of that. But yeah, anyway, we're going to keep going, try and find a lookout.
It's a hard, firm base. Now, what does this mean? Oh. Should I get my car ready, or at least the winch out? Bit of a calamity. The old winch chain's blowing too much.
I was going to do the bog hole, but the winch is playing up as well. My car's not having a good run, so I don't know. No winch. I don't have I only got the remote. I don't know if the remote's flat or what. So I was going to do the bog hole. I'm not going to do the bog hole now because I don't have a winch. I'm not getting in the mud to hook up snatch trap, and it got very grey and dark very quickly. So we're going to drive around the bog hole, quickly go to the lookout, and then get the hell out of here.
The beam is looking pretty good right now.
And right as I finished saying that, let it rain. Get in the car!
This is mental. Oh. Now, this is gonna be fun.
I knew that was going to happen. Oh well. Hey, it went all over your phone too.
Up at Teams and hop on a conference call in 15 minutes.
Yeah. It's just on his way to work. Somerset Lake, Somerset Lookout. Lake. We managed to get out of the fog just. So these track ratings are a little out. But I think all the black ones here should be blue. Oh well. That was a dumb idea.
I know you are very dumb.
Bugger. I gotta give it to it. With not having traction control working, the BMW actually outdrove me in some things, I reckon. It done bloody well, considering it's got a, what, 1.5 inch lift, which has been
Questionable 1.5
a
inch.
pain, nothing but a pain.
Questionable lift and basic all-terrains.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah,
That's
just basic all trains. He did have 20-inch mags on this.
That's not photo that as
with
well.
35 profile tyres.
But also for the audience, that's not the diesel, that's the V8.
And it's a V8.
So just
Yes, everyone goes the M57 motors and all that.
Yeah.
Get the V8 instead.
The V8.
Sounds better too. Still got a big muffler that needs to be modified, but anyway, we made Mount Mee. We're back. Cars are covered in mud. I'm going to have to go and plug the computer and find out why my traction control is not working, and it'll be via a bottle shop and a car wash, because I did a bit more mud today than I normally like, because I hate mud. I hate having to clean the car. It's not too bad. These tracks are saying are black, but then they say the tally track is blue. Like, to me these are green and blue tracks out here.
Gunshot was harder on the telly track than most of these ones.
Yeah.
But
So
it's a black track.
these are black tracks. I don't understand how. I know it works on the cars that drive it and all this sort of stuff, but yeah, I don't know. It just doesn't seem right in some ways.
Nah.
It's I reckon Newtracs is a guide,
Yeah.
and it needs more user input. Like the comments that they're doing now, they're doing comments. You can leave comments. That's a good idea, but to be able to leave photos and actual geotags or something like that along the thing of the obstacles where they have the highlighted red stuff, like, or to be able to have a bit more information at those points on what it is, like a bog or a climb. Yeah, I just reckon Newtracs is a guide, and yeah, there's things out there that are just as good if not better. So anyway, so we'll leave that one at that.
Yeah.
Good day. And it's not lunchtime yet,
No, which only means
so we're out before lunch.